So one of the most useful tools that you can get on a computer these days, and it's something that's happened with Windows 7 and after computers, it's a snipping tool. What you can do is I'm going to show you here. I'm going to drag this box down to show you the Start button. And when you get to the Start button, go ahead and click on that. You're going to grab that little bar, and you're going to looking for the accessories, Windows accessories. Go ahead and click on that little side arrow right there, and scroll down till it comes up, it says Snipping Tool. Now, Snipping Tool allows you to take a still screenshot of whatever it is that you're working on. Let me bring that into the frame a little bit. Okay. So what you can do is you can choose what you want to do. So click New, and you can drag a cursor around the area you want to capture. You can do a free form, just draw a box, a rectangle, a window, or full screen. Here I'm going to do a full screen snip. And now I'm going to bring this back into focus. The video. I'm going to File. Now it has several options I can save as, and they'll give you your choice of file options. I like to use JPG or JPEG because they're a little bit more, they're better quality and they're not as high, as difficult to upload, particularly if you're on a slower connection like mine is. Then click Save. And to close it out, you just stay in the other window on Windows. Just click the, drag it over so you can see what I'm doing. Click that little X over there, and that's that. It's pretty simple, but it can save you a lot.